This month's trading might be a little bit weird as the market kind of figures out what this may mean.
The price of Canadian crude rallied, and it rallied fast after the Alberta government announced production cuts. But one analyst says it's hard to say whether this was the solution or the market was on its way to correcting itself. He does say this was a gut reaction that boosted the price of Western Canadian Select, but he can expect volatility in the markets in the weeks ahead. This is uncharted territory, even for those who watch the markets closely. Experts say we'll just have to wait and see if Alberta's production cuts will give us a better price for our currently discounted oil.
The market hasn't gone through this before, and we're not sure how it's going to respond, and certainly there's producers are going to have to make adjustments on how and what they're going to produce through these curtailments as well. These things are going to take a little bit of time to shake out.
WCS closed on Tuesday down 70 cents to $29.25 a barrel, about $23 below West Texas Intermediate. Cenovus Energy, whose CEO was one of the first oil sands producers to call for cuts, was up more than 11% on Monday. Canadian Natural Resources and Athabasca Oil were also up. Market watchers say it will take some time to see how the 325,000 barrels of production cuts will impact each producer. In a statement to City News on Monday morning, Husky Energy said the market was working and government intervention could have a negative impact on investment. Later that day, Husky shares closed at just over $16, up just over 2%.
This month will be, a little bit unusual, and January may be more, as it settles in, more what we'd be accustomed to, but I think it's really early to say how that's going to play out. Ultimately, people are going to look for signs of recovery of the actual, pulling down of stocks.
OPEC is expected to make an announcement on cutting production on Thursday, but analysts don't expect any unusual reactions in the market.
The OPEC's going to set the tone for the global price, and that has immediate impact on Western Canadian producers. As we talked about, we did see some strengthening differentials in the lead up to the decision on Sunday, but we also saw a weakening of the global prices that really kept the prices in Western Canada low.
In Calgary, Crystal Adaris, City News.